Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start the 11th accountancy chapter number 3, sum number 9. We already discussed about sum number 8 and also accounting equation. Okay. So now what are the important concept, important accounts involved in this problem? Okay. So first, before going to start, you must know about that is purchase account, sales account, personal account, then that is bank transaction. Okay, so then purchase return, sales return. So these are the important accounting terms involved in this problem. Okay, so the first one, purchase. First one, purchase. So the purchase is divided into two. One is cash transaction, another one is credit transaction. One is cash transaction, one is cash, another one is credit. And also sales is divided into two. One is cash transaction, another one is credit transaction. One is cash transaction, another one is credit transaction. Okay. So first, what do you mean cash purchase? What do you mean by cash purchase? For example, purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash. This is called cash transaction because of you paid some cash for purchase. Okay, so this is called purchase goods for cash. Okay, so purchase account debtor to purchase account debtor to cash account. Okay, so purchase and cash. Two of the real account involved in this problem. Okay, so two accounts, that is real account involved in this problem. Okay, so this is called cash transaction, purchase goods for cash, purchase account debtor to cash account. Okay, purchase account debtor to cash account, that in accounts involved, real account involved in this problem. Okay, so in the account la parunga enna account involved, real account involved. A real account, that is asset. Okay, so asset comes in, cash also one of the asset, that is called current asset. So the current asset also involved in this transaction. Okay, so this is called cash purchase. This is called cash purchase. Next one, credit purchase. Credit purchase. Credit purchase means purchase. Credit purchase means purchase goods from Mr. A. Purchase goods from Mr. A. So Mr. A, one of the person, that is called personal account. So purchase goods means that is a real account, that is asset. Okay, so it's an asset, that is real account. This is personal account. So all the persons, all the name. Okay, so every name involved. Okay, so the name related to personal account. Okay, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So real account involved in this transaction. Okay, real account involved in this transaction. Here personal account. Here personal account. Okay, so what is the journal entry? First one, purchase account debtor to Mr. A. Mr. A is the giver. Credit the giver. Okay, credit the giver. Okay va. So personal account and purchase account என்னது? இது ஒரு real account, இது ஒரு personal account. அதாவது எது அப்படினா what comes in? Credit debit what comes in? Purchase goods was comes in. Who is the giver? Mr. A is the giver. யார் கொடுக்குறா? Mr. A கொடுக்குறா. So purchase account debtor to Mr. A account. Okay, purchase account to Mr. A account. Okay, so this is called cash purchase and credit purchase. Cash purchase means that is a cash transfer involved. Credit purchase means personal account involved. Okay, so next sales. Next is sales. Sales account involved also having two transaction. One is cash sales. One is cash sales. Another one is credit sales. One is cash sale. Another is credit sales. Okay, so cash sales. Cash sales means sold goods. Sold means sales. Sold means that is sales. Okay, sold means that is sale. Purchase means that is goods. The purchase means that is purchase account. Purchase some goods. நீ ஒரு பொருளை வாங்குற. Sales means you have to sell some goods. என்ன பண்ற, ஒரு பொருளை விற்கிற. Okay, so sales. So sales account involved. Okay, so sales account debtor to what is sales? Sales account always comes under credit side because goods was goes out. Okay, goods was goes out. Purchase mean goods was comes in. Sales mean goods was goes out. That is a credit part goes out. Okay, credit part goes out. Goods was goes out. What comes in? Cash was comes in. Purchase account means cash was goes out. Sales means cash was comes in. ஒரு பொருளை விற்கிற பணம் உள்ள வருது, ஒரு பொருளை வாங்குற பணம் வெளியே போகுது. Okay, you paid for some goods, you sold goods. Paid means ஒரு பொருளுக்கு பே பண்ற. Sold means அந்த பொருளை வித்து பணம் வந்தது. What comes in? Cash was comes in. Okay, so what is the transaction? Cash account debtor to sales account. Cash account debtor to sales account. Okay, next credit sales. Next credit sales. Credit sales means sold goods to Mr. A. So here Mr. A is the debtor. In purchase goods from Mr. A means Mr. A is the creditor. Here he is the debtor. So Mr. A only receive the goods. Mr. A account debtor to sales account because Mr. A is the receiver, debit the receiver. Personal account involved. Okay, personal account involved in this transaction. Okay, so Mr. A account debtor to sales account. Mr. A account debtor to sales account because Mr. A is the debtor. Mr. A is the debtor. Goods was goes out. Mr. A received the goods. Goods was goes out. Okay, so real account and personal account involved in this transaction. Here to real account, goods are also real account, cash also real account. Real account means asset, cash means current asset, goods means fixed asset. Fixed ah irukum. You purchase furniture for cash, that is cash transaction. Cash paid to the furniture. Purchase furniture account debtor to cash account because of furniture one of the real account, cash also real account. Okay, so here Mr. A account, Mr. A is he is the debtor. He is the debtor because he didn't pay any amount for some goods. இந்த பொருளுக்கான பணத்தை இவர் கொடுக்கல. He didn't pay. ஏன் பே பண்ணல? பணம் இல்லை. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் கிரெடிட் டிரான்சாக்ஷன். கிரெடிட் என்ன அர்த்தம்? கடன் கொடுத்து பொருளை வாங்க. பணம், அதாவது பணம் கொடுக்காம பொருளை வாங்குறது. ஓகே, தட் இஸ் கிரெடிட் டிரான்சாக்ஷன். பணத்தை கொடுத்து பொருளை விற்கிறது, தட் இஸ் கேஷ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன். கேஷ் சேல்ஸ். கேஷ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் என்னது? பணத்தை கொடுத்து பொருளை விற்கிறது, தட் இஸ் கேஷ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன். ஹியர் கிரெடிட் டிரான்சாக்ஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த purchase and sale. Very important concept in this problem. Okay, in this chapter, sum number 9. Okay, and purchase return, sales return. Purchase return, sales return means here purchase return. Purchase return, here sales return. Purchase return. Purchase return means here purchase goods from Mr. A and the very next day purchase goods from Mr. A. When from the very next day return goods from that is Raj. யார்கிட்ட வந்து பொருளை மிஸ்டர் ஏ வாங்குறாரோ அந்த யார்கிட்ட வாங்குறாரோ யார் வந்து பொருள் யார் வந்து இந்த மிஸ்டர் ஏட்ட வாங்குறாரோ அந்த பர்சன் என்ன பண்ணுறா மிஸ்டர் ராஜ். அந்த ராஜ் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு அடுத்த நாள் பொருளை ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிட்டாரு. ஸோ ஃப்ரம் மீன்ஸ் பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். ஓகே, ஃப்ரம் மீன்ஸ் பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். ஃப்ரம் லேட்டர் டு பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். தென் sold goods to Mr. A. Then from the very next day Mr. A returned because of some defects. He find out some defects in this transaction. Okay, in this product. Okay, so some problems, quality sarilla, date expiry aayittu. So some of the reasons he returned these goods. Okay, so Mr. A returned goods to Mr. A returned goods to that person. யார்கிட்ட வாங்குற மிஸ்டர் ராஜ்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, so Mr. A returned goods. So this is called sales return. This is called purchase return. This is called sales return. Because of ஒரு பொருளை வாங்கிட்டு ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணால் அது பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன், ஒரு பொருளை விற்ற பொருளை ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணால் அது சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன், திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். தட்ஸ் ஆல். வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் transaction, very important concept in this problem, in this chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is very important problem. Okay, now going to solve the problem. Okay, date, particulars, debit, credit. Okay, so on the date October 1, 2017 date, that is LF, ledger folio. LF means ledger folio because of our verification. Okay, from the next chapter we will discuss about that is a ledger. Okay, how will you open ledger? Okay, there is some formats in this chapter. Okay, so October 1, 2017 for the first transaction commence business with the goods. Okay, so goods means later to stock account. Because of goods later to purchase. Okay, so stock purchase goods என்ன அர்த்தம் stock. மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோ, goods என்ன அர்த்தம் stock. ஏனா because of ஒரு பொருள் உள்ள வருது. so பொருள் என்ன அப்படினா stock later to stock. Okay, ஒரு பொருளை வச்சு என்ன பண்றாங்க business start பண்றாங்க. Okay, so that is called goods stock account debtor to Sasikumar capital. Sasikumar's capital account. 40,000. Okay, commence business with goods. Commence business with goods. Okay, so next October 3, cash introduced in the business. ஒரு cash வந்து என்னது business introduce பண்றாங்க. ஓகே, so ஒரு cash businessல introduce பண்றாங்க. so cash introduce பண்ணனால gas was comes in. ஓகே, அதுல stock introduce பண்ணனால stock was comes in. the goods was comes in. யார் கொடுத்தா? சசிகுமார் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணா. he is the giver. அதே the same transaction involved in the second that is date number 3, October 3, cash account debtor to Sasikumar's capital. Cash account debtor to Sasikumar's capital. Sasikumar's capital. Okay, so cash was comes in, Sasikumar is a giver, so credit the giver. Okay, cash was comes in, Sasikumar is a giver, so credit the giver. Okay, so what is the narration? Cash introduced in the business. Cash introduced in the business. Okay, so what is the amount? 60,000. 60,000. Okay, so next October, next date October 4, purchase goods from Arul on credit. I already told purchase goods from Arul on credit, that is credit transaction, credit purchase. So credit purchase means that is purchase account debtor to Arul account. Okay, so purchase means goods was comes in, Arul is the giver, so Arul is the creditor. So purchase means creditor, sales means debtor, that's all. In case sold goods to Mr. A means that Mr. A is the debtor. Purchase goods from Mr. A means Mr. A is the creditor. Okay, so purchase means creditor, sales means debtor, that's all. Okay, so here Mr. A is the Mr. Arul is the creditor because purchase transaction, credit transaction. So purchase account debtor to purchase account debtor to Arul account. Okay, purchase account debtor Arul account. What is the amount? 70,000. Okay, purchase goods from Arul. October 6, return goods to Arul. Okay, return goods to Arul. Return goods. Okay, return goods to Arul. அருளுக்கு பொருளை ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ இங்கே என்ன அப்படின்னா என்ன டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ஆயிருக்கு? இங்கே வந்து அப்படின்னா பர்ச்சேஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன், பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். ஓகே, ஸோ அருளுக்கு பொருளை ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிங்க. Purchase account always comes under debit side, purchase return account always comes under credit side. Okay, so Mr. Arul, October 6, Mr. Arul account debtor to, because Arul is the receiver, receive the goods. Mr. Sasikumar return goods to Arul, that's all. Mr. Sasikumar return goods to Arul. Arul is a receiver, Sasikumar is a giver. Okay, so the goods was goes out, Mr. Arul is a receiver. So personal account, real account involved in this transaction. Okay, so Arul account debtor to purchase return. Arul account debtor to purchase return. Okay, so return goods to Arul. Okay, what is the amount? 10,000. 10,000. Okay, so that's all. Next one. Okay, next October 10. Paid cash to Arul on account. Paid cash. So Arul is the receiver. Cash was goes out. So Arul is a personal account. Personal account means debit the receiver. Arul is a receiver. Okay, Arul is the receiver. Cash was goes out. So, okay, so Arul account debtor to cash account. Arul is the receiver, personal account. Cash was goes out, that is real account. So cash was goes out. Okay, so what is the amount? 60,000. 60,000. Okay, so second one. What is the narration? Paid cash to Arul on account. Okay, paid cash to Arul on account. Okay, so this is the October 10th. Okay, next sold goods to Sendur on credit. Sold goods. This is credit sales. Okay, this is credit there is credit purchase return. Next one, credit sales return. Okay, so sold goods to Mr. Sendur on credit. Okay, Mr. Sendur is the receiver, goods was goes out. Okay, now this sales account always comes under credit side in journal entry. Okay, got it? Sales account always comes under credit side in journal entry. Okay, so sales return account always comes under debit side. Purchase account always comes under debit side. Purchase return account always comes under credit side. Okay, now Miss Senthur account debtor to Mr. Senthur account debtor to sales account. Okay, so 30,000. Okay, Senthur sold goods to Senthur on credit. Sold goods to Senthur on credit. Okay, so here October, the date is October 15. The date October 15. Okay, so October 15, Senthur account debtor to sales account. 30,000. Okay, so 30,000. Okay, so here Senthur is the receiver, sales account. Senthur is a receiver, sales account. Okay, Senthur is a receiver, sales account is one of the goods was goes out. Debit goods was, that credit what goes out. Who is the receiver? Senthur is the receiver. Okay, sales transaction. Okay, so what is the narration? Sold goods to Senthur on credit. That's all. Sold goods to Senthur on credit. Next one, Senthur return goods. Senthur return October 18. Senthur return. Here purchase return. Here sales return. Okay, so sales return always comes under debit side. You got it? என்ன நடந்திருக்கு பாருங்க. செந்தூருக்கு பொருளை வித்திருக்காங்க. அடுத்த நாள் என்ன பண்ணிட்டான் செந்தூர் என்ன பண்ணிட்டான் குட்ஸ் சரியில்லைன்னு ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிட்டான். ரிட்டர்ன் குட்ஸ் அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, ரிட்டர்ன் குட்ஸ் எவ்வளோ வாங்கினானோ அந்த பொருளை ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிட்டான். எவ்வளவு 6000 ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிட்டான். ஓகே, அப்போ சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் அக்கௌண்ட் டெப்டார் டு குட்ஸ் வாஸ் கம்ஸ் இன் சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் அக்கௌண்ட் டெப்டார் டு செந்தூர். Okay, Sendur only giver. Sendur is a giver. So here sales return. Okay, so 6,000. Return goods. Return. Okay, next October 20. Okay, October 20. Received cash from Sendur in full settlement. Okay, so here see this transaction. Sendur received the goods. Next one, Sendur returned the goods. Now Sendur received cash from Sendur. Sendur paid full. That is a pay full. That is a, he paid full settlement. He paid amount to the Sasikumar, because Sasikumar only the company proprietor. Okay, so here Sendur received cash from Sendur full settlement, but he paid only 23,000. But now we have 30 already sold goods to Mr. Sendur 30,000, but he returned 6,000. So 24,000 he have to pay. 24,000, but he paid only 23,000. So 24,000 minus 23,000, totally 1,000. So 1,000 is the discount allowed. 1,000 is a discount allowed to Mr. Sendur. Mr. Sasikumar allowed some discount to Mr. Sendur. The amount is 1,000, because so 1,000 amount is it's a discount. Okay, yeah, in discount, no, lot of many, that is the companies provided some discount allowed to the suppliers. Okay, because of that is a good return. Okay, so paid cash to on the simultaneously he paid cash to the company. ஒரு ரெகுலர் பே பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. ஒரு பொருளை வாங்குறாங்கன்னா அதை பே பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அந்த ரெகுலராக பே பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு பர்சனை அந்த குட்வில், இதுதான் குட்வில்ங்காங்க. அந்த பர்சனோட குட்வில்லுக்காண்டி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா என்னது டிஸ்கவுண்ட் அலோவ் பண்ணுவாங்க. இதே இந்த டிஸ்கவுண்ட் ரிசீவ் பண்ணால் யார் ரிசீவ் பண்ணா? சசிகுமார் ரிசீவ் பண்ணுவான். இன்னொரு கம்பெனிக்கு அவன் வந்து பே பண்ணிகிட்டே இருந்தானா அந்த கம்பெனி என்ன பண்ண ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ இவனை பொறுத்த டிஸ்கவுண்ட் ரிசீவ், அவனை பொறுத்த டிஸ்கவுண்ட் ஆடு. ஸோ டிஸ்கவுண்ட் அலோவ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க யாருக்கு? மிஸ்டர் செந்தூருக்கு. ஸோ அவன்கிட்ட என்ன விளைவு இருக்குது? கேஷ் விளைவு இருக்குது. கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட் டெப்டார் டு discount allowed account to Sendur account. Okay, so full settlement, received cash from full settlement. Okay, so Sendur is a giver. Discount order one of the expenses, that is nominal account. This account later nominal account, because is one of the expenses. Mr. Sasikumar is having some expenses because of he made some expenses, because discount one of the nominal account, debit all expense and losses, cash was goes out. Okay, so received cash from Sendur in full settlement. Okay, the amount is 23,000. 1,000 amount is the discount, so totally 24,000. Okay, so here full settlement. Okay, next 25 October 25, paid salaries to ECS means electronic cash service. Okay, so fund transfer, some of the companies paid salary through net banking transaction. Okay, ஒரு பேங்க் மூலமா இது அக்கவுண்ட் வந்து அனுப்பிப்பாங்க. அக்கவுண்ட் ஹோல்டருக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, பேங்க் மூலம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அவங்களுடைய salary வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, so that is bank is the who is the receiver. So what transaction, okay, so bank account debtor to, so bank is the giver. Okay, bank is the giver. So salary account debtor to bank account, salary account debtor to bank account. So bank is a giver, அவன் தான் கொடுக்குறான். ஓகே, பேங்க் ரிசீவர் கிடையாது, ரிசீவ் பண்ணல அவன், பேங்க் ரிசீவ் பண்ணல. he is a giver, bank is a giver through bank transaction. Okay, salary account is a salary one of the what, expenses. So debit all expense losses. Who is the giver? Bank is a giver. Okay, so what is the amount? 2000. What is the amount? 2000. Salaries paid through ECS. Okay, so next October 30 last transaction. Okay, so last Sahil took for personal use good worth. Okay, that is a personal account, that is a drawing. He took some goods from his business. So ஒரு பொருளை நீங்க business எடுத்துட்டா that is called that is a personal, அதான் personal. ஸோ அந்த personal account எதை ரைட் பண்ண, drawing account ரைட் பண்ணது. drawing அர்த்தம் எடுக்கிற, வித்ரா பண்ற, பணத்தை எடுக்கிற, பொருள் எடுக்கிற. ஓகே, ஸோ என்ன எடுக்கிற, பொருள் எடுக்கிற. ஓகே, ஸோ drawing account to purchase account because of goods. இதே கேஷ் அப்படின்னு என்ன, drawing account கேஷ் account போட்டிருப்ப. goods mean that related to stock. ஏன் அப்படின்னா பர்ச்சேஸ், நீ விற்க வந்த பொருள் என்னது அதுலேருந்து எடுத்திருக்க. ஸோ for you already you have some stocks. Okay, stock வச்சிருப்ப, அந்த ஸ்டாக்ல இருந்து என்ன பண்ற, you took for personal use. Okay, so drawing account debtor to drawings account debtor to purchase account. Sahil took for personal use. Sahil took for personal use. The amount is 10,000. Okay, so the transaction over. Okay, Sahil took for personal use. Okay, the transaction is over. Drawing account debtor to purchase account. Sahil took for personal use. Okay, so personal use என்ன எடுக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும், குட்ஸா கேஷா. கேஷ் மீன் கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட் போட்டுரு, ஒரு குட்ஸ் எடுத்தா பர்ச்சேஸ் அக்கௌண்ட் போட்டுரு, தட்ஸ் ஆல். சார் நீங்கள் பர்ச்சேஸ் அக்கௌண்ட் டெபிட்டில் வரும்னு சொன்னீங்களே, ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் இங்கே என்ன அப்படின்னா பர்ச்சேஸ் அக்கௌண்ட் தட்ஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த goods taken. Okay, goods taken by Sahil. Okay, so drawing account to purchase account. Okay, so lot of involved, lot of purchase account, purchase return, sales return account involved in this transaction under drawing account. Okay, I hope you are very well understand about this chapter, sum number 9. Okay, thank you for listening my video.